Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we have some really cool updates. Now in this video I'm going to talk about how people selling Kaspa right now at the price of 0.06 are going to be forced to buy Kaspa at really expensive prices. Now before we go ahead, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and leave your opinion in the comment section down below. Now let's start with a tweet from WatcherGuru, and he said, Binance founder CZ says too much money is spent chasing small, quick gains in crypto. Focus on ethical teams that build for the long term. Big money is built slowly with stamina. So I think the former Binance founder, is indirectly pointing towards Kaspa. Now, Kaspa is a project that has been proven to be ethical because, first of all, it is built on the same principles as Bitcoin. And we all understand that Bitcoin is the most ethical project in the world. And Kaspa uses the same Bitcoin protocol, the same standards, but improves the way it operates. Kaspa is going to be fast. After 10 blocks per second, is going to be 6,000 times faster than Bitcoin. But at the same time, keeping decentralization, security, and scalability. So it has solved the blockchain trilemma and yet remaining secure, remaining decentralized, something that was said to be impossible by Ethereum's founder Vitalik Buterin. So this is something that is really massive. Now, when you look at another post from WatcherGuru, they say that just in 120 million liquidated from cryptocurrency market in the past 60 minutes. Now, this proves the point that came about from former CEO of Binance. He said quick money, a lot of money is being lost from people trying to chase, quick gains. And this is exactly what is happening. People are being liquidated just because they are overexposed in the markets. People are using a lot of leverage, or people are exposed in Ponzi schemes and the projects that promise, let's say, 1000x within next 2 to 3 months. So people are falling for this trap because they want quick crypto profits. And this ends up costing them a lot of money. And they keep repeating the same mistake. And that's why I want to tell people that we are in a project that is really ethical and that is really building. When you look at what has been happening with the Kaspa development team, they've been running 10 blocks per second on testnet for a very long period of time. And why do you think this is actually happening? They would have decided to just release 10 blocks per second and fix all the troubles along the way. But this is not how Kaspa works. Kaspa development team is really, really good because they want to release a product that is really perfect. Anything that they feel like is going to be a problem, they have to fix it. And that's why you've been seeing testnet. This is testnet 10. After testnet 10, we're going to run it on mainnet. And after that, it is going to be fully deployed for integration. So this is actually a good thing. You are invested in a project that has proven, first of all, to be ethical. This is the first thing. And the other thing, it is built on the most successful cryptocurrency protocol, which is Bitcoin protocol. And it is actually proof of work, decentralized, fairly launched, which scales 6,000 times than Bitcoin. And it is faster than most of the proof of stake cryptocurrencies. Another thing is, most people think that the price of Kaspa is going to remain at 0.06. But I have to just refer to this post from Kaspa Silva. He said, 90% of the supply has been mined. Kas is at the final stage of its emission schedule. By 2030, the reward will only be around 2 Kaspa per block. Lots coming within the next year that is expected to bring in the needed demand. Let's see what the future holds. Kaspa is not going to stay at 0.06. And we are so lucky to have these prices because these prices, nobody expected these prices. But they're currently here and we have to take advantage of these prices. Now people are freaking out saying that Kaspa is going to zero. People also said the same when Bitcoin fell from 65,000 to 15,000. They say Bitcoin is done, it's going to zero. It was a big scam. It is a criminal organization and everything. But when Bitcoin currently it is at, let's say, 88,000, its all-time high was just above 100K, and everyone wants to get into Bitcoin. This is the same thing is going to happen with Kaspa. People don't believe Kaspa now, but they're going to have to buy Kaspa at really expensive prices. Now, if you are already into Kaspa, you have a very, very golden opportunity. Now, most of the people are currently fighting Kaspa because it is good to beat Kaspa down when it is currently down. It is good to talk bad things about Kaspa when it is down because you have actually the facts. Kaspa is currently at 0.06. It is not performing well. But when Kaspa starts to pump, all of these people that you hear talking a lot of bad things about Kaspa, you will not be able to listen to these people anymore. And most of the people, the good thing about most of the crypto influencers, if they say something bad about a crypto, when it starts pumping, they always are quick to flip. They will change the narrative and make themselves look like they supported the project. I'm not trying to isolate these people. They are very welcome to join Kaspa, which is actually a good thing because Kaspa is decentralized, and whoever at their time feels like they want to study Kaspa and join to Kaspa, they are always free to join Kaspa. So always stay informed. I believe most of the people in the crypto community or most of the people in the Kaspa community know much better than most of the cryptocurrency influencers that are trying to trash Kaspa. You know a lot about Kaspa, a lot about the project, a lot of knowledge about proof of work, no pre-mines, free and fair launch, no VC investors and everything. You know a lot about Kaspa than most of the people who are trying to talk wrong things about Kaspa. So just stay patient and the time of Kaspa is going to come. And for the people who are thinking of selling, I think if you think you have to sell Kaspa, you better do the right decision because it's all on you. It is your choice to either hold on into Kaspa or sell. No one is going to press the button for you. Like swear right now. No, you need to have conviction, as I said in the previous video. And if you feel like it is the best decision for you to sell Kaspa, I think you should do the right thing that you feel like you have to do, because there's no point getting involved in a project just because some crypto influencers are talking about the project, or because you like a certain influencer, or because you are listening to someone else's opinion. You have to make your own decision by doing your own research and having your own conviction. This is what I think. You need to have conviction in order to hold and survive the storms that are going to come. So this is it for today. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. Thank you guys and see you in another video.